content is produced by Special Learning Needs Consultants, www.slnconline.com.ng, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channels for more tutorials. Let's go learn.
I am Olufemi Bayode, your regular tutor on this channel, and today I want to teach you installation of software on computer system. Some of you think that installation of software on computer system is difficult. No. For every installation on Windows, you only need 4 major keys. That's your tab key, your arrow keys, your enter key, and space bar key. The tab key, if you like, you can also combine it with your shift plus tab key to move around different screens and different controls, while your arrow keys for making selection to move up and down, left or right, and your enter key and the space bar key activates a control or a command within the dialog box. The dialog box of every installation wizard is not different from each other. You need to pay attention to these following things. 1. Granting license, that is accepting the terms and conditions, the license permission to run that software on that system. And if you decline, you won't be able to install such software. The next thing to take note of is next button, next greater button, continue button, yes button, or proceed button. They are all referring to the same thing, giving information that when you press the enter key or spacebar on any of these, it takes you to the next level of your installation or the next screen. And you also need to take note of this info, that's finish button, done button, close button, or exit button. This shows the end of your installation, and when you press enter on it, then the installation wizard will close, showing that you have completed the installation. And mind you, during this process you can also see install button, which you activate to continue your installation. And we demonstrate installation of software with few software to actually point you to what I am talking about.
Typeability for JAWS row 1 column 2, key 1 of 7, key.zip 2 of 7, quick typeability hotkey, typeability tutorial and user guide.docs 4 of 7, typeability 4.3.6 for JAWS.x 5 of 7.
This typeability, so I will press my enter key on this typeability.exe. Please note that any file ending with .exe is an executable file, which means it's an application to be run on computer system.
Secure desktop.
If you have not turned the notification of your user account control down, you will always see this notification
User account can publish or to make changes to your device. Typeability 4.3 fault head.
asking you that, do you want to allow this program to make changes to your computer system? So what you have to do in this case is to use your right or left arrow key to look for yes and press the spacebar to begin. Or better still, you can press the keystroke Alt plus Y to activate without using the arrow key and the enter key.
Yes but fault Y. Space. Typeability setup. Caution : no other programs should be running during this installation aside from the latest installed version of JAWS and any virus protection program that may be running in the background. Please click cancel to quit or click next to continue. Let it read only multi-line selected. Caution : no other
And
programs.
here, click next to continue. Then I will use my tab key to look for next.
This program. Next button Alt plus N.
Then I will press my enter key.
Yes, license agreement. That is read only multi-line selected license agreement.
This is license agreement.
This is the end user license agreement. This license must be agreed to before installation continues. By installing or using the software, you are consenting to be found.
You can hear what I've said earlier, that you need to accept this license agreement before you can continue the installation. So I use my tab key to look for any of those either next, yes, continue, or next greater button.
Do you accept all the terms of the preceding license agreement? If so, click on the yes push button. If you select yes button, Alt plus Y.
This yes, I will hit the enter key.
Next, choose installation type. Edit read only multi-line selected. Choose installation type. JAWS typeability 4.3.6 for JAWS
So,
13.0
here,
and above radio button check.
I can use my arrow key to make selection based on what I want.
Logic typeability 4.3.
Magic.
JAWS typeability 4.3.6 for JAWS 13.0 and above radio button check.
This is what I want. I use my down arrow key to select it. Then I will press my tab key to look for next, yes, or next greater button.
Back button Alt plus next button Alt plus
This is
N.
next. I will hit the enter key.
Choose JAWS version. Edit read only multi-line selected. Choose JAWS version.
Here I am to also use my arrow key to make selection to choose the JAWS version that I wanted.
JAWS 2019 checkbox checked.
I've chosen JAWS 2019. Then I will press my tab key.
Back button Alt plus B.
This is back button. If I press enter key on back, it will go back to the previous screen I just left. Then I press tab key.
Next button Alt plus
This
N.
next button, then enter.
Confirm JAWS versions. Edit read only multi-line selected. Confirm JAWS version.
Then I press my tab key.
Edit read only multi-line.
Again.
JAWS 2019 JAWS. Press next button. Back button Alt. Next button Alt
Next
plus
button
N.
again. I move there with my tab key, then enter key on
End
next.
user data location. Edit read
Then
only
I will press my
multi-line.
tab key
Type of
to look for next.
User data. Browse button. Back button Alt. Next button Alt.
Next enter.
Registration number.
The same thing
If you
again
have
with my
purchased,
tab
edit
key.
blank.
Look for next.
Back button. Next button.
Enter
Alt.
key.
Start installation. Edit read only. You
Tab.
are now ready to it. Back button Alt plus D.
Tab again.
Next button Alt plus
Next.
N.
Then I'll press enter on next.
Bible copy progress. Cancel.
The
button.
installation
1%.
have started.
11%, 31%, 71%, 81%, 91%. Typeability installed. Typeability 4.3.6 installed successfully on your computer. Typeability installation has finished. Edit read only.
You can hear that the software is installed on the computer system. Then I will press my tab key to look for close, exit, or finish button.
Edit read only multi-line. Finish button.
Then I will press the enter key.
Typeability for JAWS row 1 column 3. Freedom Millionaire window. Items view list. Millionaire line 1.x2 of 3.
I have another software to install here. Is a game software called Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
M line TF. Millionaire line 1.x2
Then I will press
of
my
3.
enter key on it.
Secure desktop.
This is the user account control. I will answer yes with my Alt plus
Freedom
Y.
Millionaire window unavailable.
Sometimes when you answer yes in the user account control dialog box, you may not land directly on the installation wizard, so you will have to press your keystroke Alt plus Tab key to move to the installation wizard dialog box.
Setup dash Freedom Millionaire 1.5 dialog. Welcome to the Freedom Millionaire 1.5 setup wizard. This will install Freedom Millionaire on your computer. It is recommended that you close all other applications before.
Then I will press my Tab key now to look for the desired control to activate.
Cancel button.
This cancel, that's not
Next
that one.
greater button.
This
Alt
next,
plus N.
I will press enter key on next.
To continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected.
I will press my tab key to look for next.
Less back button. Next greater button.
Enter key.
Select the
Okay.
components you want to install. Clear the components you do not want to install. Click next when you are ready to continue. Combo box full installation collapsed.
I want full installation. If you check, full installation is in focus, so I don't need to use my arrow key to make selection here. I will press tab to look for next, continue or install button.
Back button, alt plus, next greater button or button,
Enter.
alt plus. Select the additional tasks you would like set up to perform.
Also, tap
back button, next greater button,
enter
alt
on
plus
next.
N, install.
Focus is on install. Then I will press my enter key.
Cancel
The
button,
installation
33%,
is in progress.
62%, 94%. Finish button, alt plus F.
You can see the finish button there. You press enter key on finish. The hallmark advice for every person that likes to install programs and software on his or her computer or mobile device as person with visual impairment is to listen keenly to his or her screen reader for direction, because if you don't listen, you may skip important information that may affect the installation. I hope that you've learned another new thing from this channel today, and I will please want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so, and do well to share this channel with your network and contact. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep growing. Goodbye.
This content was put together by Special Learning Needs Consultants, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, connect with us on LinkedIn, and follow us on Twitter. Don't forget to visit our website for accessible materials, information, articles, and other helpful resources on www.slnconline.com.ng.